Hello everyone. It is Friday the 31st of May and today is a very exciting day. I had a day off from work. I'm about to go pick Alvin up from work because a few days ago there was a report of a yellow-crowned night heron up in County Mayo, which is about a 3-hour drive from where we are. Now, this is like the twitch of all twitches because this bird has only been seen in Europe twice, ever. The first was in Portugal in 2020 and the second is in Ireland. So there have been people flooding to go and see it the last few days. This is the first day that we have been able to make the drive to go up and see it. And the good thing is, because it is a night heron, they are most active at night. So actually the fact that we're going to get there about between 8 and 9 o'clock in the evening is perfect because that's the time when it's going to be most active. So I'm about to go pick Alvin up from work and let's go find that night heron.
Okay, so Francesca picked me up from work. We're currently heading to Mayo to try to see the yellow-crowned night heron. Hopefully it will still be there. We are very excited. It's honestly amazing how a bird from America ended up all the way in Ireland here. It's the second time it's been recorded in Europe. It's normally found in places like Alabama, Louisiana, Texas, Central America, Mexico, and even on the Galapagos Islands. Like that's amazing.
How on earth it has survived and it actually seems to be in relatively good health and is feeding and everything like that. How on earth it managed to do that and survive whatever storm brought it over to Ireland in the first place, because this isn't a natural migration. It got seriously blown off course somehow. So the fact that it is still doing well after that huge of a journey is an absolute miracle, and it will be a complete privilege if we are able to see it.
It would be incredible. Yeah, I've been getting pictures and updates in the last few days. It's been looking healthy. It's been feeding constantly. So that's a good sign. That's a very good sign. Hopefully it will be stronger and it will make its way back home. But it's very exciting. We'll keep you updated.
We made it. It's still light and fingers crossed we'll see something. We're going to its last reported location now, so fingers crossed. That march of determination. Wait, we see someone else with a camera and binoculars. That's a very good sign. Apparently it was last spotted somewhere near this playground, so we shall see. Any signs?
You can just see its legs standing down from it. Sort of, if you go down there at an angle, you see it right in the path.
Oh my god! Oh wow!
I can't believe we actually saw it. We drove 3 hours and we actually saw it.
I can't believe we actually saw it.
The second
Wow.
time it's ever been recorded in Europe. I know
That's
we've said that a
insane.
lot on this vlog, but it's big.
It's huge, and it's really nice how much the community has embraced it as well. There's signs everywhere asking for people to respect the bird and keep their distance and things like that. There's lots of people in the local area who are interested, and these are people who might not necessarily have got into nature before, who are being exposed to it. So it's amazing what a rare bird can do to bring a community together as well. It's really nice to see. So we're on one last little hunt for it. We got some really nice views of it and got some really nice photos and footage, but then it flew up river and we've lost it. So we've been hunting for it for maybe the last 40 minutes or so. Hopefully we'll get one more view of it before we have to drive back down this evening, but we'll see. Fingers crossed. Unfortunately, we didn't catch another glimpse of the yellow-crowned night heron, but before we ended our evening in Mayo, we were treated to lovely views of common and soprano pipistrelle bats catching insects in the twilight. We did it. It's nearly midnight, is it? 11 o'clock?
Yeah,
Something like that.
Close enough, yeah.
It's late enough anyway. But we did it. We got it. We came, we saw, we conquered. Now we've got the 3-hour drive back home.
All worth it.
Yeah, always.